Example, that is 7th one. The product of two-digit numbers is 765 and their HCF is 3. What is their LCM? So here, what is given to you? The product of two-digit numbers is equal to 765. HCF is given. HCF is 3. And what do you have to find? You have to find the LCM. So as usually, the relationship between that formula of relationship between the HCF and LCM. So what is that formula? The product of two given numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Product of the two given numbers. So product of the two given number is directly the product is given. So that is 765. HCF is given 3. Multiplied by LCM is not given. Take it as it is. So you have to find the LCM. So what we will do? We will take this 3 to the left hand side from the right hand side. It is to right hand side. We will take it to the left hand side. So as it is multiplied here, when it will change the side, what it will do? Yes, definitely it will divide to the 765. What will remain here? Only LCM. So when you divide it, 3 ones are, 3 twos are 6. So 7 minus 6, 1, 16. 3 fives are 15. So 16 minus 15 will remain 1. So 5. Therefore, LCM will be equal to 255. And this is your answer. Next example, 8. This is the word problem. Let us see this. A trader has 3 bundles of string, means the bundles of rope, 3 bundles of rope string of the length 392 meter, 308 meter and 490 meter long. So what you will do with this? Let us check. What is the greatest length of the string that the bundles can be cut up into without any leftover string? So he is going to cut each bundle into the equal length of rope such that there should not be any leftover piece behind of any of the given 3 bundles. So what is that? We have to find what is the greatest length that can be cut. So greatest is the common among 3 bundles. So what that length of the 3 cut pieces of 3 bundles will be equal. That is the common. So we have to find greatest common length of the string that is to be cut. Greatest common string means greatest common factor, that is as. So we will find the highest common factor of these 3 numbers. So what are the numbers? So you can see all 3 are the even numbers. So we can divide them by the smallest prime number, that is 2. So 2 ones are, so 2 nines are and 2 sixes are. 2 ones are, 2 fives are, 2 fours are, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8 and 5s are. So we can divide these 3 of the numbers by 7. So let us take 7 twos are 14, 7 eights are 56. Then 7 twos are 14 and again 7 twos are 14. Then 7 threes are 21, so 35, so 5. Have only the 2 and 7 as a common factor, and therefore the highest common factor of these 2 numbers will be 2 into 7, and that is equal to 14 is the common factor. So what will be the greatest length that can be cut to get an equal number of string without any leftover piece of the string, and that is therefore the greatest length of string cut is equal to 14 meter. So this is your answer. Last example, 9th one. Which 2 consecutive even numbers have an LCM of 180? We need to have 2 consecutive even numbers, and you know the even numbers. So you will find the difference between the 2 consecutive numbers is always 2. You can see the difference between the 2 and 4 is 2. 4 and 6 is 2. 6 and 8 is 2. Now, what is the given thing here? Here is given LCM. LCM of the 2 consecutive numbers is 180. So what should be the SCF? SCF of 2 consecutive even numbers is always, means SCF of the 2 consecutive even numbers is always 2. So you can see the highest common factor between the 2 and 4 is 2. Highest common factor between 8 and 10 is 2. highest common factor between 16 and 18 is 2. SCF, you can find it, you can check it out. And you will find formula we have between the relationship of SCF and LCM. We have formula that the product of two numbers equal to SCF into LCM. So here in this case SCF is 2 and LCM is 180, so that is equal to 360. So the product of the two numbers is what? 360. And what are the products of the two numbers? Which are the two numbers? We have in this example consecutive even numbers. The two numbers are consecutive even numbers such that their product is 360. So from this list we can find out which are the two consecutive even numbers. So let's check 10 and the product of 10 and 12 will be 120. It is small. Go further. Check out for this. 18 and 20. 18 to the is 36. 0. That means these are the two consecutive numbers 18 and 20 which having an LCM of 180. So therefore the two consecutive numbers 18 and 20. So this is your answer. So thank you. Have a nice day.